Okay, student, welcome back. This time we're gonna be doing awesome gas. So as always, Google my website, Mr.Velez Virtual Music. It's gonna take you to my website, Music Tech, aQWERTYon. We're gonna do awesome gas. Click here. Here you have the chords, but in here you also have the chords embedded. See in the thumbnail. So C is C E G. Let's check out. This is in the key of G. That's why this in the root is G. So that's why the root is G. We're gonna find C, which is gonna be now our 4 chord. This is gonna be our G. So let me write this up a little. And then our G will be our first one. Our D will be our fifth one. And the notes are D, F, G. So yeah, you can always check the note. Our C is C, E, G. Our G is G, B, D. Our D is D, F, A. Our E is E, G, B. A minor will be A, C, E. So you have it in the second chord because it's in the key of G. Okay? So let's try again. C, G, D, A minor, E minor, A minor, and then follow the song. Let's try. So start in 4 chord. C. Go to G. Go to D. E minor. C. G. A minor, D. Okay. Yeah, this one is a little tricky. So at the end, you have that challenge. A, D, E. It's gonna take you a while. So here we go again. Start in the 4 chord, C. Go to G. Go to D. E, C, G, A, D, E. And that's the idea. The good thing is that once you get, this is a little challenge, the last part, A minor, D, E. Once you get it, A minor, D, E, then it's gonna be easier. But at the beginning, it's gonna give you a little hard time because the chords are faster. But that's okay. Practice to get better. Hope this was helpful. Give it a like and thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.